Hey guys, I hope you are having a great day. Today we are thrifting at the Goodwill outlet bins. This is the art section, which I have been avoiding lately. Look at this piece. Oh my gosh. This will look so good painted in white wax. It actually doesn't look bad as is. It might look great just white wax just to tone it down a little bit. I don't know. It's very large and heavy though. I don't know if I should get it. I'm gonna leave it here and think about it. I have not been here in about 4 days, so I'm hoping that means I will find lots of goodies today. Y'all, look, I found another one of these. My tree is gonna be full this year. Little recipe box. Oh, they're bringing out some new bins. What is this? It's like silicone. I'm guessing that's for baking. All right, put this in my cart. I have lots of stuff up here, but I kind of want to go look through the bins first, so that way I don't miss out on stuff. This is very heavy. I wonder if it had a base to it. Oh, look, this cute little chair. Okay, I'm definitely grabbing this. All right, I'm gonna go through these bins first because they usually swap these out more often. And then I'll come back and dig through all this. Is this a chenille bedspread? I don't know if it's old or not. It's pretty thin. I guess it doesn't matter. It's going in my cart. All right, I found a tag. Is JCPenney a queen size? I don't know if it has any stains. I'm gonna get it no matter what because I could use it for DIY projects, or if there's no stains, I could actually use it on a bed. Dang, somebody got a really nice Christmas tree in their cart. I wish I would have seen that. I'm seeing lots of clothes today so far. Ooh, it's a flannel. My son said he needs more flannels. Oh, with some pajama pants. Cute little fall shirt, Tommy Hilfiger large. Is that a women's shirt? Yeah. Darn, he would actually love this pattern. I just found this pillow. It says Gone Fishing. It is in excellent condition. It is designed by Laura McGroy, and it is Chandler Four Corners. I did look up this brand, and these pillows actually sell for good money, and this one is in such good condition, so I think I'm going to put it in my cart. So this is the color. Over there it looked brighter red, but it's more of like a maroon red. Very pretty. Ooh, look how good it looks with my chenille bedspread too. Here's a cute little tarnished silver seasons greeting things. I think it's to hold cards. This is really cute, but y'all, so when I pick up stuff, I have to think about, you know, the time it's going to take me to list it and ship it. And sometimes these little things, although I love them, they're just not worth it. But I had an idea the other day. What if, oh, this is pretty. What if I start picking up these little things that I find at the Goodwill Bins, even like some nice florals, not this obviously, but you know what I mean, like some nice DIY supplies, some cute little things that I find like this, and do mystery boxes that I sell each month when I do the website sale. So I'll tell y'all like, hey, this is, you know, I'm picking this up for the mystery box, but you won't actually know what's in it. Like I'll try to, you know, get enough stuff. These are interesting. There's a few of them. You know, I'll try to get enough stuff to do several mystery boxes. So y'all let me know what y'all think about that idea. Oh my gosh, look at these ginormous brass candlesticks. Yes, those are definitely on my cart. Look how pretty my cart is looking. So I keep getting distracted by stuff. This is nice, but I don't know, there's a big bump right there. Let me know if y'all are interested in thrifted mystery boxes. I'm thinking maybe 10 items, and then I could throw in some DIY stuff, like maybe a transfer sample and a fusion paint sample or something like that. It'll definitely be worth it. Ooh. I actually tried to make these before. It was a huge fail, but I love these so much. They look like little cement burlap sacks. Love them. I'm gonna get both of these. My cart's way over there. I gotta go grab it. I picked up this magazine rack. I am actually going to take it apart for the spindles, and I'll probably list these on the website. People have been asking for spindles, and I just haven't been finding them. The Big Whale Greensburg. What is this? What is this? It's like a silver utensil box. These are some very thick plates. I think that's a cow. It's missing a leg though. This looks like a decoy, but it is missing its head, unfortunately, and that was wood. I wonder if the head's in here. Oh, I am totally putting that back together. Look how amazing that is. That's in here. Well, this is just so weird. I might have to get this. Some kind of duck. Can't go wrong with these. Probably grab those as well. Anybody need one of these? Let's see. Here's a little pot, and it already has a foam in it, but not really into the bee. Some greenery. Some little art pieces. Oh, there's 4 of them. This is kind of cute. It is very heavy. Probably leave that here. Baby. Some angel wings. I wonder what angel this goes to. I like these. They're very pretty. We'll see. I might come across them. Some vintage babies. Oh, the little Anna or Elsa hairstyle thing. Aww. That's a cute baby. I like her. I need to collect some little toys for Ren, because a few weeks ago I thrifted an entire bag. Okay, he's a little creepy. I thrifted an entire bag of toys, and every day when she'd get home from school, I would give her 2 of them, and I am almost out. So we need to thrift some more. Ooh, what is this? I don't know how I feel about this one. I like the smaller ones like this. What do y'all think about that? It definitely has, you know what? I bet the angel wings go to her. Where did I put those things? Let me go find them. We'll put her together. Okay, I fixed her. Fixed her halo. Fixed her wings. I think I'm gonna get her. Y'all think there was something on her arms? Or that's what they're supposed to look like? There's a chicken, I think, cookie canister. It's very sticky though, and can't get the head off. Ooh, what's this? Bird, needlepoint. I think there's more in there. There's another one. Ooh, I like the colors in this one. Very pretty. And then this one's a flower. I don't know, that one looks kind of messed up though. I think I'm gonna leave this one, but I'll get the 2 bird ones and sell them as a print. That's very pretty. What's this? Candle holder thing. That would actually look really pretty painted. I would leave this brass. Oh, put that in my cart and think about it. Purses. Some more frames down here. Let's see if there's any more needlepoint artwork. Nope. Do not see any. It's an owl, lots of glassware. Here's a little teapot, but enamel one. But I don't like the pattern on it, so I'm gonna leave that here. That's cute. Oh, I love it. And look at the little hanger. How adorable. Okay, I'm gonna get that piece. What else is in here? Another needlepoint. Ooh, I like this one. Look at the colors and look at the frame. That is so pretty. Alright, grab those 2. Just make sure there's no nails in here. Look, y'all. I love that. I'll probably sell this and the little girls jumping rope together. All right, now I gotta look through all this, see if there's any other artwork. There is not. Ooh, can I just take the deer out? Look how vintage that deer is. Let's see if he comes out. I can't get him out. He's stuck in there. We might have to leave him behind. See a Santa. Oh, I think this is like from the dollar store or something. Little soap dispenser. What is this? What in the world? I don't know what this is originally for, but it is adorable. That'll look great with some floral. Little cookie tin. This one's old, I'm thinking, but I don't know. I'm not gonna get that. Ooh. Pasta. That one's interesting. I might look this one up. Maybe I should go ahead and look this one up as well. My cart is so full right now. There's a whole bin full of pumpkins. White. I don't know if I want to get these and pick them up for next year. I have a ton of them. Including little tiny ones. I think I'm going to leave these here. I already have a cart full. Baskets. Oh, look at this. I like the concept, but I do not care for the execution. Let's see. Little teacups. There's a bag of pine cones, but I don't need that. Some little bowls. What are these? It says quality, refreshing, ice cold drink glassware. It's very big. Home essentials and beyond. Look at this lamp. I think somebody painted it though. It looks a little yellow. This is a nice bowl. I like how it has a little base to it, but it would definitely need a paint job. What is this? Why is there a Santa with a bird on his head? Oh, it's a candle. Okay. Oh, here's another one of those tins. This one is for macaroni. Kind of goes with that pasta one that I picked up. I did not look them up yet. These are so heavy. It's stamped on the bottom, but I can't read what it says. These are definitely something. They are really heavy. I think I'm gonna get both of these. I love the color. They have some crazing going on. You can just tell. You can tell that they are quality pieces. I'm running out of room in my cart for everything. Oh, here's some Christmas stuff. Look at this Santa. He's cute. Where he's from? He was from Kohl's for $40. I like the color of him. I think he's missing something right here though, yeah. So rocking horse. There's some more tins. Oh, brass. Somebody needs this. Put a Christmas tree in. Where I'm gonna put this in my cart though. I'm gonna need another cart here. Alright, I just found a kitchen utensil that I've never seen before. What in the world is this used for? I feel like it combs something, but what? So if you know what this is, leave me a comment. Okay, I just spotted this belt, but it has these metal pieces that would be very pretty to add as an embellishment to something. So I think I'm gonna put this in my cart and I can add it to my random metal drawer because I definitely have one of those with all kind of bits and pieces of little metal objects that I can add to DIY projects. Aww, that's really cute. Look at all the images. Danish butter cookies. I'm not sure if this is old or not, or it's just meant to look old. Alright guys, well today was a great day at the Goodwill Bins. Here's 4 little things that I picked up to possibly put in mystery boxes. So this is kind of an example of the, you know, kind of items that you would get. Definitely things that are my style. And I looked these up and I feel like if I list them together, it will definitely be worth it. Got those things down there. I got some clothes for the kids. I always pick up a few pieces of clothes and just tons and tons of goodies. It was definitely a good day at the Goodwill Bins. Oh yeah, almost forgot about that decoy down there. I'm definitely gonna fix him. He's gonna be amazing. And some little pieces of artwork. Good day. It was a good day at the Bins.